Zayden, can I get one more video of you?
Okay.
Thank you.
Then you can take one more video. I wish that we can bring elbow pads and knee pads. So that we can put the elbow pads.
Alright.
Dad, we need elbow pads and knee pads.
Ready?
Okay. That's what happened, because I got elbow pads.
Fastest you ever went. Whoa! Whoa! That was awesome, dude. Put your helmet back on, B. Benjamin! Whoa, watch out! I'll make you fast go. Benjamin making himself bleed. Oh no. Well, you're not supposed to try to go off the ramp like that.
That hurt. He's bleeding?
Yeah.
How the heck did he get bleeding? Because I hurt my toe.
I'm having a ball. This is so fun. Don't get blood on me.
Okay, can we see what I can do?
Oh, I love it. You guys are awesome.
Look what I got. A couple bleeding too.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Dude, you're fine.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Well, I really want a Band-Aid.
We gotta wait till we go home. Can I get a couple clips?
I'll go home.
Let me get 3 clips, then we're out of here.
Okay.
All right. Are you gonna try to film me for real? Because I can't find nowhere to set my phone up. So you gotta get these clips.
Okay.
All right, look. Hold it just like this. Right? All right. Go stand by your skateboard. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. You gotta keep, can you see what you looking at on the screen? All right, you see how when you're pointing at something, look down at your skateboard. See your skateboard now? I'm pointing up this way. All right, and you can just hold it like right here. And I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna jump up here on the curb. Right, wait, where's my finger? Yeah, I'm gonna jump up on the curb right here and do a wheelie, or we call it a manual, right? All the way over here to right there.
Okay.
All right, just hang out right there, don't move.
I'm calling you, Daddy.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
But I didn't do the phone. But I didn't do the phone.
Ready? Keep pointing at me.
Okay. But
Don't get
I
on it.
still didn't do the phone. Daddy. 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 Daddy, I still didn't do the phone. Daddy, I still did the phone.
Okay. Another one. You ready?
Daddy, but I got bleeding on my finger too.
Show the camera. Show the camera. No, show the camera your bleeding finger.
It's really tiny.
All right. Record me now. Hold it. Wait, watch your fingers. You're covering. Your hands are covering.
But I did all that. But I did.
Wait. You're doing good. Hold it like this. And hold this one like that. Perfect.
But I did the fun. Do you see that? Watch me.
Film Zayden. Film Zayden.
Hey, won't let me help him.
Is it counting on top in red? Is the top of the screen red?
In the way.
Wait, one more. I gotta do this nose maintenance too. I'm tired of this grandpa. Too damn bad.
Daddy, you have 2 bleeding spots. Don't laugh at that.
Relax, man. I'm not laughing at your bleeding spots. All right, you ready? Your fingers are covering the camera again.
Daddy, I don't want to go home.
Okay.
Daddy, I really want to go home. I want to go home, Daddy.
Okay, right here.
Dad, can we go home now?
Why are you
I want to
crying?
go home.
Like, that's why I don't understand. Why are you crying?
I want to get paper towels to wipe my blood away.
I got paper towels in the car. And I got water in the car. So will that fix it? And then I can get my nose mani?
Yeah.
All right, let's go take care of your owies. Baby in the cut, snoozing.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I do have my rough go right now. We just need to get some water.
Daddy? Daddy?
Isaiah, quit, man. You're fine.
Really hurt.
Dude, it's a scratch, man. Relax. I know scratches. I know you're bleeding, but that one is a speck.
And I read it.
Come here. Yeah, he's really bleeding, and he ain't even crying. He got more blood than you. Yeah, look. Which one you want? Is that better? What else is bleeding? It's all dry. All right, you good now?
No, I'm not doing now. I need a paper towel. I want a blue one. Daddy, I want a blue one.
Of course you want a blue one. There you go. I do.
Daddy, next time can you take us to a safer one?
Safer what?
Safer skate park.
This isn't even a skate park. This is a parking lot, dude. You want to go to a safer parking lot?
Here we go now. Daddy, why do I have to hold my head down? Daddy.
I really need to get a fucking tripod. Everybody make tripods. Don't understand why I don't have it.
Daddy,
Hello.
hold it.
What?
Hey, home.
Yeah. touch it, B.
Hayden, Hayden. Watch out!
Stair here, and as much as I hate stairs, I feel like I have to ollie it. Hold on.
See my skateboard go down.
All right, you can send your skateboard down. I'll get it. I can't believe I kicked out. I was so scared. It's just an ollie, and I'm terrified. You ready to go? All right, get your skateboards. Let's roll out. Hey, you guys did awesome today. Really good first skate day. I mean, it be like that sometimes. Sometimes you just got bleeding. Stop throwing rocks where I throw you in the rocks, boy.